Hi everybody and welcome back to another episode of Planet Base, where you can see that we are currently working to improve everything, and we are getting there slowly. We've got a couple of big monoliths. I want to take those so we can reconstruct the whole of this area here. This will have to be reconstructed because of the way it is. But we found that we've got some limits, and that's not good. So we can't really go any more further down here. But we will try and we're going to try and reduce all of this area. And we're going to try and put those big power supplies in there. But we've got to be really careful with the power because of the way it is. So we're just waiting for the robots to clear this section, because we're still struggling with putting in the section that we want. Now we've got a little happy bar here. Not sure if we're going to keep that little happy bar, because we might do, because it's a big one, and it would be nice to have that. It's a shame I can't split that there and put that in the middle, but the restrictions are as is. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be getting rid of this landing pad. Okay, I'm going to say yes. We've got nothing else there. Like I said, this is the water section now. It's permanently going to be water. We've got a few bits of power here, but we're not going to backtrace that section. That's going to stay as is. Right, so let's have a look at the current colony stats. We currently have 11 carrier bots, 6 drill bots, and 0 constructor bots. But we do have 109 people here, and we are looking to increase that. We don't need any more than those guards, because we're going to limit the people that are coming in. Nurses are okay, but we are going to need more engineers, more biologists, and more of those. Who are these? Visitors. So the status at the moment is poor. I don't know why it's poor. Let's have a look. 26 to 28 on the water. So we're going to have another extractor. Just to get that up and keep that up there. Suppose I could come off here for the security, so we probably will do that, and basically we're going to not do that, have security. I don't think we need a big one, but I probably will do, because it's easier. Close. So we've got security there, and then what we're going to be doing is having the 2 smaller land pads. Hopefully we can, when they get rid of that one, come on, pick that one up. Well, no, first of all, sorry, they've got to come through an airlock. It's going to be the new airlock. And then we can have a small landing pad. And then when this is gone, this section has gone here, we can have the large landing pad. So that is what we're going to be concentrating on today. So that means anyone coming through here into the base is going to be coming through here. Trying to get the last one is going to be a little bit difficult. I want to see if I can put the monolith here. No, but we can have the monolith here, so that's good. I can build that monolith there. So how well is our base doing? Power, water. Power and water is good. Still saying that we're poor, so I'm not too sure why we're poor. Two structures have been built. What and where? Oh right, okay. This is why I now like to build it in it. Whoa. Why we got no laser coverage? Airlock has been built, that's good. Security. So once it's in this airlock, that is what we're going to be scrapping. Okay. What are we out of power for? Power. I've got power storage. Oh, damn it! I didn't see the connection. So now he's going to go and walk off. Flipping great, Mr. Engineer. Right, so he's an engineer. Right, so there we go. Right, so now we can build the last landing pad, the starport, and that will be linked to that one. Right, we'll have these, and we're going to go 50-50 on the workers and the biologists. I think we'll increase the engineers. Colony. So who do we get? Worker. Let's have a look, see what we like. So water is okay, as far as I'm concerned. Getting up to decent. I think that's because we've got the landing pad. Got the gym, got the beer. Right, let's get rid of that drinks machine. Put in a table. Trading ship. Right. What has he got for us? 80 credits. We'll take those. 108. And what we're going to be doing here is obviously we're going to want our security here, and I'm going to have a heavy presence here. Not too sure whether or not these will work. always have a gun section. So what I can do is go to this security office. We can recycle that one. Get rid of that. Basically, we can get rid of that airlock. We'll reconfigure that one. Because if I take the telescope off, we'll have a look at the workers and that. Look at the workers machine. We've got a small one there. This is a waste. We'll recycle that. How much oxygen has we got? Have a look at this. Well, what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, because we've now reconfigured the landing platform, we've gone a little bit over. We'll see you in the next episode when we go and work on that top little bit up there. Have fun, stay safe. Bye for now.